Alright everyone, so here's the deal. A couple of days ago I picked up this Polaroid. I picked it up over at a flea market for, I want to say, $1 or $2. However, it did not come with any film, so I've been trying to look left and right, here and there. I've been trying to find some Polaroid film, and up to today I had been unsuccessful in trying to locate some film. Today, however, I was able to locate this Polaroid 600 Platinum. It's opened and it's used, but it still has one inside. So what I'm gonna do is head over to my girlfriend's house and see if we can get this thing to work. She's the one that found it, and it's basically her. So I'm gonna head on over to her house, and I'll see if this works. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna try to see if this film works on our Polaroid. Lovely Sherry's gonna try to insert the film.
Just before 702.
Is that 2002?
Yeah, 2002.
Nice. That's like a decade, 12 years ago.
12 years ago, yeah.
12 years ago. Wow, let's see. This is too good. All right,
I don't know how to open this. Ooh, that's why this is here.
It's like film from 12 years ago to see this. Awesome, it did something. You took a picture? Or
Yeah.
Hold on, look, I take video and you take a picture of me. How cool is that? Ready?
Okay.
1.
2.
Hold on, let me brush my hair, or let me just kinda get my hair ready. On 3. 1, 2, go.
Look at this. Oh gosh.
Nothing came out.
Oh.
That's not cool. Nothing came out. That's what she said. Okay, we're back. We're having some problems getting our Polaroid to work. Let's see now.
Supposedly our time, so.
Okay, alright, ready? Let's see if we can do it now. 1, 2.
Yay!
Something came out.
Yes, just waiting.
Wait.
I guess it's nothing happened.
Oh. Polaroid fail. Seriously? Oh gosh. Are we sure it's not on backwards?
No.
I wanted my Polaroid camera to work. Well, unfortunately our Polaroid did not work. After numerous tries and trying to get the damn thing to work, nothing comes up on our film. Nothing. So, $3 later, we have old film that we can't use, expired from 2002, and a Polaroid camera that I guess unfortunately is worthless now. So, oh well, maybe next time.